Well, hold on. Pretty sure we got a new student, right? Oh, there it is. Sorry, let me see. Here it goes. This is CIT. Today, we're going to be going over office safety and shop safety. Come on in. Oh my God. You can do it. As you can see, this is not safe for the shop. Why is it not safe for the shop? Because it's distracting, impedes the learning environment, and also it spreads bacteria and germs to other students, and we wouldn't want that in the shop.
Serious right now, bro?
This is an example of office safety because drinking water above an electronically powered device may cause for a short circuit, a malfunction in the computer, or death to the computer. Also, do not work on any devices without being instructed to do so by your instructor.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o!
Oh! Hi, how are you? Well, this is an example on why you should not roughhouse inside the shop or an office. Why is that? Because roughhousing, it could turn out fun in the beginning, but then it can escalate, like my friend Alec took it, because Maxwell wanted to play around with the broom too much, and Alec wanted to handle it with fist. Words are better to be used, but he used it in his own way. Wow, that is why you do not roughhouse in the shop.
Screen celebs and stage satellites, social debs, and I have a lights massive.
I got no clue how to do these ones.
Doing the uptown lowdown, where they sing their symphonies just to watch those Creolian skipping, doing the uptown lowdown. You'll find laughter after midnight, that's their playtime. Heidi Haytime. What price? Yeah, man. Bankers with their Cinderellatives listening to those high relatives up in Harlem doing the uptown lowdown.
watching our office tech tips. If you have any confusion with any of the tips, there is a step-by-step manual in the description. Thank you for watching CIT Tech Tips. Be sure to like, subscribe, and press that bell for post notification. And make sure to always watch our new videos.